Please subscribe to Millets TV.
Hi friends, welcome back to Millets TV. In this session, I'll show you the preparation of Sesame Laddu. Before that, we'll see the nutrition facts of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are very good for health and actually you can replace it with milk. Why I'm telling is, my 3-year-old son, after I stopped breastfeeding him, he never touched cow milk or buffalo milk. We were so worried like how his growth and development occur without milk. So we were looking for an alternative milk. Then we got to know about the sesame seeds. If you take 100 grams of sesame seeds, it has 98% of calcium. At the same time, in 100 grams of cow milk, it has 11%. Another reason why I am replacing milk is, unfortunately, milk is being adulterated throughout the world. Reason may be demand and supply gap. 2 out of every 3 Indians drinks milk adulterated with caustic soda, detergent, urea and paint. Adulterated milk may cause abortions, deformities in babies and also cancer. So if you're not sure about the quality of the milk, you can take sesame seeds. In many ways we can take sesame seeds. One of them is Sesame Laddu. Finally, I want to add one point. Women after delivery and during breastfeeding time, they lose too much calcium from bones. So if you take one Sesame Laddu per day, it will be very helpful. So friends, now we'll see the preparation of Sesame Laddu. We need 2 ingredients, sesame seeds and equal amount of jaggery. Add sesame seeds into the bowl and fry. Stir it continuously, otherwise they'll burn. Once they turn into brown color, switch off the stove. Let it cool and add into the mixie jar and grind it once. Don't grind too much. Then add jaggery and grind it properly. It will turn into a soft powder. Then take it into a plate or bowl and make laddus. That's it. Easy and very nutritious Sesame Laddu is ready.
Please subscribe to Millets TV.